How to open Plum account. To open Plum account, download the Plum app. Go to the App Store iOS or Google Play Store Android. Search for Plum Budget, Save and Invest, and install it and sign up. Open the app and tap Get Started. You'll need to sign up with your mobile number or email. Create your profile. Enter your full name, date of birth, and address. This is required for identity verification, KYC. Verify your identity. Plum may ask you to upload a photo ID, passport, driving license, or national ID card, and take a quick selfie. This step ensures your account is secure and complies with regulations. Link your bank account. Connect your main bank account using open banking, securely handled within the app. Plum uses this to analyze your spending and help automate savings. Start using your Plum account. Once verified, you'll get access to your Plum account and wallet. You can activate features like automatic savings, investments, or pensions, depending on your country. Thank you for watching.